Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Krista. I am a stay-at-home mom of two precious little boys, and I've been married to my husband for 3 years. Today we are doing a bedtime routine, a solo mommy bedtime routine. My husband works nights, and so most of the time I'm having to put these two boys to sleep by myself. Before that, I wanted to show you a quick little recipe that I do. This is just hamburger steak. I use Dale's seasoning, A1 sauce. Usually I use a Montreal hamburger steak seasoning, but I was completely out of it and I didn't realize it, so I just put some seasoned salt on there with it. And then bake it at 350 for about 25 minutes.
Nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back.
Me and my mama just made some homemade fries to go with the hamburger steak, so there it is, just frying away. Now usually I don't always do this, but I did this tonight. While Parker was eating his dinner, I went ahead and gave Oliver his bath to get him ready for bed. And right before I did that, I gave him his vitamin D, his probiotic, and gas drops because he has tummy issues. And for their baths, I like to use the Hello Bello bubble bath and body wash and shampoo in the lavender scent, and then I go in with the same brand lotion. And when I'm lotioning up Oliver and even Parker, sometimes I like to massage their feet. It just kind of calms them down for the night. I don't know what it is about it, but it works every single time. So at this point, it was time for Parker's bath. Oliver was pretty much already asleep. I always lay out his pajamas and diaper and then put his bubbles into his bubble bath. He is obsessed with bubbles, so I try to give him as much as I can. And then we just go back into the bedroom and get him dressed for bed. And then give him a big kiss to remind him how much I love him. And I'm going to soak up all the love and kisses I can get at this age, because soon he's not going to want to kiss me anymore. Parker loves to brush his teeth. Every time we go into the bathroom, whether it's to potty or bath or anything, he's always like, brush teeth, brush teeth. So he is always happily wanting to brush his teeth. I'll go in first to make sure that they're actually brushed, and then he likes to put it under the water and quote unquote brush his teeth himself. I'm so happy that he's trying to be so independent, but I wish he would stop growing up so quickly on me.
So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights.
So we finally got back out our oil diffuser, and so I wanted to use this calming sleep essential oils in the bedroom just to get them ready and calm down for bed. I usually don't run it too awful long, just enough time to let the room get that smell to it and really calm the boys down.
It was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all
Okay, so after that, I then lay Parker down and put on Boss Baby. Usually he's obsessed with that. So that goes on, and a few minutes later he's usually right asleep. And so is Oliver. That's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye y'all.